Ever wondered what habits set millionaires apart? Today, I'm revealing the top 7 millionaire habits that can transform your financial life. These habits aren't just myths or old wives' tales. They're derived from popular financial books and real-life success stories. Stick around, and you'll gain insights that could very well change your financial future. Before we dive in, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more personal finance tips. Let's get started. Habit 1. Consistent goal setting. Setting clear, achievable goals is a cornerstone habit of millionaires. It's not just about dreaming big, but breaking those dreams into manageable milestones. This habit is highlighted in The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas Stanley. Successful individuals consistently set both short-term and long-term goals, allowing them to stay focused and measure their progress. Goals give you direction and purpose. Without them, you're likely to drift without any clear sense of progress. Millionaires set goals that are smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This ensures their goals are realistic and within reach. They also frequently review and adjust these goals based on their progress and any changes in their circumstances. By regularly evaluating and adjusting their goals, millionaires ensure they are always on the right path to success. Start by setting daily, weekly, and monthly goals. Track your progress and celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. These small wins will keep you motivated and on track towards your larger objectives. So, start setting your goals today, and watch as your financial picture starts to align with your aspirations. Habit 2. Investing early and often. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. This is the power of compounding, a concept brilliantly explained in The Automatic Millionaire by Bach. Imagine your money earning interest, and then that interest earning interest. It's like a snowball effect that gets bigger and bigger over time. To harness the power of compounding, it's crucial to start investing as soon as possible. Even small amounts invested regularly can grow significantly over time. For instance, investing just $100 a month at an annual return of 7% can grow to over $170,000 in 30 years. Millionaires understand this and make it a point to invest regularly. They often automate their investments, ensuring a portion of their income goes directly into their investment accounts. This removes the temptation to spend and makes investing a consistent habit. Even if it's a small amount, consistency is key. The habit of investing early and often ensures a secure financial future and builds wealth steadily. Habit 3. Living below your means. This might sound simple, but it's incredibly powerful. Living below your means involves spending less than you earn and making smart financial choices. The Millionaire Next Door emphasizes that many millionaires are not flashy spenders. Instead, they are frugal and prudent. By adopting a frugal lifestyle, you can save more and invest more. It's not about depriving yourself, but making wise choices that contribute to long-term financial health. Millionaires focus on value rather than cost. They understand that spending wisely means making purchases that offer long-term value and avoiding unnecessary debt. Cutting down on non-essential expenses and avoiding lifestyle inflation, where your spending increases as your income increases, can help you save a significant amount of money. Use budgeting tools and apps to keep track of your expenses and always look for ways to save. This doesn't mean you can't enjoy life. It means you're mindful of your spending and prioritize what truly matters. Habit 4. Continuous learning. Millionaires never stop learning. They invest in themselves through education and self-improvement. This habit is thoroughly discussed in Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. Continuous learning keeps you ahead of the curve and opens up new opportunities. In today's fast-paced world, staying updated with new skills and knowledge is crucial. This could involve reading books, taking online courses, attending seminars, or even learning from mentors. Many millionaires dedicate a significant portion of their time to learning. For example, Warren Buffett spends about 80% of his day reading. Whether it's through reading books, taking courses, or attending seminars, make it a habit to keep learning. Knowledge is one of the most powerful tools for achieving financial success. It not only improves your skills, but also boosts your confidence and opens doors to new opportunities. Make continuous learning a priority in your life, and you'll see the benefits in your personal and financial growth. Habit 5. Networking and building relationships. Your network is your net worth. Building strong relationships can open doors to opportunities that would otherwise be out of reach. Many successful entrepreneurs attribute their success to the people they know and the connections they've made. Networking isn't just about meeting people. It's about building meaningful relationships and offering value to others. Strong networks can provide support, advice, and opportunities that can significantly impact your career and financial success. It's not just about what you can gain, but also about what you can give. Offering help and value to others builds trust and strong relationships. To build a strong network, be genuine and take a genuine interest in others. Attend industry events, join professional groups, and engage with people in your field. Follow up and keep in touch with your contacts. So, get out there, meet new people, and nurture your professional relationships. Remember, the relationships you build today can lead to opportunities in the future. Habit 6. Diversifying income streams. Relying on a single source of income is risky. Millionaires understand the importance of having multiple income streams, which provides financial stability and growth. Whether it's through investments, side businesses, or passive income, diversification is key. Diversifying your income can protect you against economic downturns and job losses. It can also accelerate your wealth-building process. Examples include investing in real estate, starting a side business, or creating passive income streams through dividends, royalties, or rental income. By diversifying, you protect yourself from economic downturns and increase your potential for wealth accumulation. Explore different ways to create additional income streams and watch your financial security grow. Diversification not only reduces risk, but also opens up new opportunities for financial growth. Habit 7. Maintaining a positive mindset. A positive and resilient mindset is crucial for overcoming challenges and staying motivated. Million-Dollar Habits by Stellan Moreira highlights how successful people maintain a positive attitude, even in tough times. Your mindset shapes your reality. A positive mindset helps you stay focused on your goals, overcome obstacles, and recover from setbacks. It involves seeing challenges as opportunities to learn and grow rather than as insurmountable problems. Maintaining a positive mindset also involves surrounding yourself with positive influences. Engage with mentors, peers, and materials that inspire and uplift you. Practicing gratitude, setting aside time for reflection, and visualizing your success can also enhance your positivity. By focusing on solutions rather than problems and maintaining an optimistic outlook, you can achieve your goals and build the life you desire. Cultivating a positive mindset is an ongoing process, but it's a powerful tool for achieving success. Let's quickly recap the 7 millionaire habits. Consistent goal setting, investing early and often, living below your means, continuous learning, networking and building relationships, diversifying income streams, maintaining a positive mindset. Which of these habits resonated with you the most? Leave a comment below and let us know which one you're planning to adopt. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.